Ukuphazamiseka okukhulu umonakalo kulindele ukuthi ufinyelele ezigidini zamarandi. Uthulisile Ngale ohlala eGoli ubehlele ukuvakashela ngesikhathi samaholide ephasika ukuyobona umndeni wakhe emlaza eThekwini kodwa manje angeke esakwazi ukuhamba.
It's a sad thing to watch, you know. It won't be happening. I won't be going home this weekend, which means now the plans are not gonna go ahead. And the sad thing is that people are losing their lives at this point. So it's going to be a very bitter Easter weekend for a lot of people.
Ngale kwalokhu kuphazamiseka abanye bazoqhubeka nokulibangisa KwaZulu Natal. Iziphathimandla zomgwaqo N3 zithi kulindeleke ukuthi wenyuke umthamo wezimoto kusukela kusasa.
The N3 toll route is expected to be extremely busy this Easter weekend. N3TC's traffic engineers are forecasting heavy traffic southbound between 3 p.m. and 9 p.m. on Thursday and again between 9 a.m. and midday on Friday. Increased traffic volumes as well as rainy weather may negatively impact all road users.
Izikhungo zokuvakasha zibukeka zingaphazamisekile kangakho.
We haven't heard of any disruptions with regards to our flights currently. However, we have seen a few customers that accommodation in Durban has been affected. Our stores are open, our phone lines are available, and we are reaccommodating our customers as best as possible.
Kuxwayisa abazovakashela izindawo ezahlukene ikakhulukazi Ogwini ngamaholide ukuba baqaphele njengoba kuqakulwe enye imvula ngale mpelasonto.